Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm going to share with you guys some Mother's Day gift ideas. So if you don't know what to get your mom for Mother's Day or those special ladies in your life, I've got you covered. First, a gift idea, I'm using this $5 watering can. This is from Dollar General. And the first thing I decided to do is just amp it up a little bit. I used my Cricut machine for this, and I thought this fresh flower decal would be super cute on here. So I'm just adding this. I just used some black vinyl, but you could use whatever you want. And if you don't have a Cricut, you could just leave it as is. It looked cute before I added this. So either way, and then now I'm just going to be adding some fun gardening items to this. So I thought that using like gift wrap or something was just like everybody uses that, and I thought using some faux greenery would be super cute along with this solar light that is from Dollar Tree. And then I thought I would just add some of these packets of seeds to this. I'm just taping these with some skewer sticks so I can poke these in to make it look like a fun little bouquet. And I think this is such an easy thing to do. It costs about $10 to put together. You can grab some seeds from Dollar Tree if you choose. I think they're like 5 for $1, 4 for $1, super inexpensive. I just thought adding some floral packets to this would be super cute since I added that fresh flower decal to this. And you can just poke these in anywhere you want. And I just love how this turned out, and it only took a few minutes to put together. So if you are strapped for time, but you still want to get your mom or some lovely lady in your life this, I think this would be a great idea. Idea is a fun one. I picked up this fresh flower bin or this basket. This was from the Target dollar spot for $5. And then I just found a lot of really cool items from Dollar Tree. They had a ton of macrame kits. They had cross stitch, this little felt kit I thought was really cute as well. And then they have a ton of things as far as this like pin cushion and this little crochet hook. I thought whoever loves crafting, they would love these because they already come with the full kit. And then I'm just adding a little bit more tissue paper to this just to elevate some of the items. They kind of started sinking in the bottom, so I thought just adding a little bit more tissue paper to this would make this basket look great. And I'm just kind of moving things around, shuffling things around. And normally I add the larger items to the back first, but I kind of just found another kit, so I decided to add that to the back just to make this basket look a lot more elevated. But I love these macrame kits, this little boho craft kit. There is just a ton of fun craft kits. So if your mom loves crafting, I think this would be a great basket for her. And if you are looking for your mom for Mother's Day and you want to gift her something that is going to last a lot longer than a crafting kit and a few seed packets, well, I also have you covered there. I do want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys haven't heard of Ana Luisa, I cannot believe it because I feel like I've talked about them plenty of times in the years that I have done videos. Ana Luisa crafts high quality jewelry at affordable prices. And when I mean affordable, I really do mean that. They have jewelry that starts out as low as $39. And some of my favorite pieces right now are between $50 to like $75, which I really think that that is a great deal, especially if your mom is going to have it for a very long time and pass it down from generation to generation. They are carbon neutral from their products all the way down to their packaging, so they care about this planet. They do have tarnish resistant pieces, and I would know, I have had jewelry from them for years and years on end, and they still look brand new. I'm showing this necklace here. They did send this one to me in the gold color, but if you're not a gold person, they do have silver options for you. Here is some close-ups of the items that they sent me. I love this mama necklace. I think anyone loves a good mama necklace. This bracelet is absolutely beautiful. I love how they have that really cool like chain link on here, but this thicker necklace I think has to be my favorite. I am wearing that today. So if you go back to the intro, I am wearing their jewelry. I think I am going to have to be gifting this necklace to myself because it is just so pretty, and I think it makes a good old t-shirt. It makes it look really, really dressy. One of the best parts is they offer free shipping anywhere in the US. So if you guys want to check out Ana Luisa, the link will be in my description box along with a discount code for you guys. And this next idea, I picked up this candle making kit from Hobby Lobby. This one was super easy to use. I love these dough bowls. They are so expensive anywhere else. So for $21 for this candle, it's honestly a steal. These dough bowls were ranging from like $20 to $30 alone. Plus you still had to buy the candle making kit and the wax and the scents and all the things. So all you had to do is just put the wicks right in there with some like some sticky tape, and then you just take these like double cups and stick them in your microwave. Easy as that. Like it took like 6 minutes to melt the wax in total. I just followed the directions and then I poured this in. I also picked up some really cute items off of Amazon because as much as I love this dough bowl and how it would look just alone, I thought it just needed some extra pieces. So I picked these up super inexpensive. I was gonna say super expensive, but it was inexpensive off of Amazon. These faux or these like dried out flowers along with these lemon pieces. And I just stuck them in. And yes, I probably should have waited until the wax was cooled down just a little bit, but let's be honest, I waited like 10 minutes and I couldn't wait any longer. So I don't know if candle making skills are in it for me or if I would do this again, but I know that your mom would like this or I would love this. And it was just a fun way to add your own personalized touches to this, and it was pretty fun. I'm not going to lie. I don't have patience to wait for things to dry, but this is what it looks like when it is done. And I just pulled these pieces up and I did touch it to make sure. I waited like 2 hours and I'm like, is this dry yet? Like, I know it doesn't take that long. And then I pulled these popsicle sticks off, cut the wicks down, and you have the cutest gift. Not show the full tutorial on this, but you can also pick up this candle making set from Amazon, and this one was really cool because it comes with absolutely everything you would possibly need. A ton of different size jars. It also comes with smaller jars, and I will link these in the description box below for you guys if you want to check them out. But you could make a ton of candles. It comes with a ton of wax. These are the dried florals that I picked up separately, but you can just make a ton of these in a few minutes. So you're able to give a ton of these out as all kinds of gifts. So if you're not looking for Mother's Day, you can give these out as birthday presents, or even just the whole candle making set is super cool. So if you want to gift that, I think that is also a great idea. This next gift idea is a fun one. I did grab some frames from Dollar Tree, and I am just using my printer to print out some photos. I love this photo printer, and I'll link it for you guys if you want to check it out, but I think it is also a great gift idea if you don't want to make anything. So I use it all the time, and I think it's great because I can just print off pictures whenever I want, which I love having that on hand. So I printed off 4 of these. I threw them in the Dollar Tree frames. I also had these wood pieces from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just going to take them along with this vase that I actually did not use, but you totally could if you wanted to, and some greenery that is also from Dollar Tree. So here's another inexpensive DIY for you to craft for your mother or your mom. I don't even call my mom mother, but anyways, we're going to take these pieces. I'm going to glue the 4 of these wood pieces together, and then I'm going to glue my frames on. So I made that a base, so I was able to take my frames and glue them to the bottoms. Now, I did not glue the frames together. We were holding on with those wood pieces at the bottom. I feel like every time I glue frames together, you can see so much glue. So I was trying to hide that using that wood base that I started with. And now I'm just gluing the 4 pieces together, and you're still able to put your hand inside of here and change out the photos if you choose to. I'm just adding some tissue paper to the bottom of the florals just to make them pop out a little bit. The vase was just a little too tall for these frames, so that's why I did not use that. But you guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed these Mother's Day gift ideas. If you did, let me know which one is your favorite or what you are going to be gifting your mom for Mother's Day. Also, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. Use my link in the description box below and use my discount code to get a deal for jewelry for your mother. That is it, you guys. I will see you all in the next one. Bye!